everyone! Today we're gonna do a bit art style vlog style video, vlog art style video. Let's see what's gonna happen, because my idea is to record two, hopefully two, even three maybe, video. And I thought it was nice to have you here so we can chat a little bit during the process, etc. So without further ado, let's set up all the things here in my room. So far everything is clean. We are gonna see how it's gonna become in the end. I'm gonna show you the mess in the end. Okay, so this is the situation of my room now. Let's see how it's gonna be in the end. Okay, let's start. Light is always not enough. I bought this one, I have the other one, but I have also the window, but I think we need always more. Anyway, let's finish setting up this one. Alright, that's good. Another thing that I need for today's project, I have already an idea for this project. I will need a palette. I'm just using this one. This one basically is just a package where there were some pencils, color pencils from Switzerland. I don't know, I remember I bought this one in Belgium. I don't remember exactly which. I think they were watercolor pencils. Anyway, so as you see, I was already using a palette, so I just bought this wonderful knife to scrub a little bit more, so then we can get ready to start. And here my bed. Usually I use the bed to put all the things that I will need. A magazine, some scraps. I will take some colors, so then everything is close to the station. Okay, let's bring the colors. So here some colors. And other colors. I love this set. This I bought, I think I did in December for Christmas. I bought for me 52 colors from Cali Art acrylic paint. I love every one of that. But in order to use this one more, I really want to finish my old one, that are this one. So let's see. I think I'm gonna use for today's project those. And for next maybe project, for the first project those at least, and the next project maybe those. We'll see, but everything needs to be close to me. Okay, let's start with the intro now, and let's start to work on the page. Intro done. It's always taking so much time, the intro. Now let's do the process. Come on. No, please, not the sound outside as always. So every time that I need to record. You don't see it on the video, but yeah, with the white shirt, I think it was a bit too risky for today. So let's start with this one. Okay. gosh, I'm so low here. I need to change the chair. Anyway, first part, I think I like it. It's a lot of texture. So let's try to do also the bottom part. So the idea is to have like the sky and then some grass on the bottom. So, okay, let's continue. That's the base. Doesn't look like much for the moment. Basically, this is my ugly face, but let's hope it's gonna turn out nice. But that's always the part that where you need to keep going, because otherwise it's gonna stay something that you really don't like. So push yourself against this ugly face. Okay, let's continue. Done, one done, another to go. It took forever, but that's the page. You will see on next week video. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, it's gonna anyway. But it's gonna, you will see, or maybe you already saw. So if you already saw, I will put the link somewhere here on the right. I think, yes. So then you can go and check the video if you want to, the full video if you want. Mamma mia, che faccia che ho. Ah. Anyway. It took me so long because I had to cut everything, decorate all the eggs. Oh my gosh, it took like forever. So now I think I'm gonna do another art journal. Yeah, I think so. I still have energy, but only one. Let's say I will do just one another journal. And something more easy, but yeah, I need something easier because this took really too much time. So, let's start again. Reset. Put shirt, everything here on the table, reset, and then we start for the next one. In the meantime, I also had lunch because I was starving. It took me, I think to do this one, it took me like, it sounds like 2 hours. Yeah, I started at 9:30, no, 9:30, now it's noon. Okay, I was also eating, but yeah, a lot, too much. Okay. Reset and do the intro again. Ah, look at my hair. Oh, like I have to go to the hairstylist tomorrow. Yeah, life. Not working. Oh my gosh, I made a mess everywhere. Ah, tutto, everything is pink. Okay, it's cool, it's not so bad. Also the window, I made a mess. Ah, I need to put something, I think. Yeah, I think I need to use again the box. It's time for the box again. Because like that, no. The lamp, everything. The lighting, also the camera, everything is pink. Am I removing everything? At least the main. Ooh! Yeah. Also on the wall. Oh my gosh, no. Disaster. Pink everywhere. Ah, meno male che volevo fare presto. Something quick, yeah. Something quick, Marisa, for sure. Quicker than, there's nothing quicker than spray, come si chiama? Splashes. I don't know. Okay, it's time for the box. Let's hope that it's gonna save me. The point of this box is not big enough. How can I do it? But I can do like that. Okay, yeah. Okay, let's do like that. More on the bottom. Now we turn around. Oh, stay. And go for the other one. And this one. Okay, pause. And that's my thing. Oh. I forgot to put record. Here where we are for the moment with this one, I just have to put a quote and basically this is done. So now time to clean all the mess that I have here and some of the mess that I have over there. And then I'm gonna use the scrap. I have other eggs here. Done. I like it so much, and that was really quick, finally. So now let's finish to clean up everything, and disaster. Okay, let's start with the equipment here because it's all a mess over here. Okay, I'll leave you there, and in the meantime, I'm gonna remove everything. Look, there is pink everywhere. Pink, 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 pink. Everything is pink. Okay, doesn't matter. Luckily, I'm using this one only for YouTube, so it's fine. And over here, usually I have all the material that I'm using for the project. I just put here, so then when I need to do the voiceover, I have everything handy. So I remember what I used. Alright. Okay, I think that's it for today. Thanks a lot for staying with me, and I hope that you have fun with the vlog. Let me know if you want to have other vlogs like that, so I can do more. And I hope that you like the project, but yeah, you will see the video when it's gonna come out. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye bye. See you next time.